welcome to my channel. My name is HeyZNic and thank you so much for joining me today. If you are a subscriber, welcome back, and if you are new to my channel, welcome. On my channel, I do feature fashion related content, so I'll do styling videos, clothing hauls. I also do design, so I do feature a few of my pieces, and I do some natural hair videos occasionally. So right now we're getting into some braid styles, but I am by no means a guru or an expert or anything like that, so just putting it out there. But for today's video, we are going to be doing a ton of different hairstyles for knotless box braids, twists, anything like that. All right, and oh, one more thing. So these braids are pretty old. This was actually the first time I've done these on myself, these knotless box braids, and this was a while back, so they're looking a little dusty. I did try to spruce it up by doing my edges a bit, but the edge control that I use is not, it's kind of, I mean, you probably can't see it on camera, but it's just not, it's kind of flaky. So I hope you guys can really see that, but I tried my best. But honestly, I should have just been like free the edges and just let it do what it do because, but anyhow, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you haven't done so already, please be sure to subscribe, turn your notifications on, comment down below, let me know what some of your favorite styles that I've done, and also give this video a thumbs up if you like what you see. All right, thank you. All right, so that is it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below. I want to know which of these were your favorite looks. And if you watched this entire video and you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Please be sure to subscribe if you'd like to my channel and turn your notifications on so that way you know when the next video drops. As a reminder, I do videos with fashion related content, so from styling, clothing hauls, and I am a designer, so I will be featuring some videos of my own stuff. But I also will be attempting to do natural hair stuff. Now, I am not a guru at all. I am on a journey, still learning. But you know, I really want to take you guys along with me, so be on the lookout for some more videos. And if you haven't realized already, I am on a journey of practicing gratitude, and what that means is basically expressing what you're thankful for. So in the comments below, if you would like to practice gratitude with me, let me know one thing that you're thankful for. Yeah, and I promise you guys, like, it feels amazing just practicing gratitude, because it turns your mind more so on the positives that's going on in your life versus just stressing over the negatives. All right, but I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for joining.